What's going on, guys? This is going to be my channel, and this is my first real video, I guess, for my newish Miata that I got. And I don't really have any parts in yet. I've ordered a bunch of parts, so this is just going to be an intro video. The only parts that came in today were my 1-inch wheel spacers, which are supposed to go on with coilovers that I ordered too. So got a nice wide inch here, just bolt on 4x100s. Well, let me start by so I recently bought a 1995 Mazda Miata MX-5. It's got the 1.8 liter, the limited slip differential, the 5-speed. Nothing special. It's stock. All I've done to it recently is I painted it. I'll do a before and after picture of that. It is spray paint. You won't be able to tell unless you're very close to it. It turned out very good for spray paint. I just didn't have the money and time to do a real job, so one day I do want to do a real paint job. I put a new top on and a new radiator in because it was leaking, and that's about all I've done so far. Major plans I've got for it: I got wheel spacers here. I've got coilovers coming. I've got a front lip coming. I've got a timing belt and water pump kit because I've got a leaky water pump and the timing belt's pretty old. So for mechanical wise, I'm just getting it running well. I do want to do wider wheels. I'll do 15x9s. There's 15x7s on it right now, so the wheel will stick out kind of far. And then I'll get fender flares. I'll do a little spoiler or something in the back. I don't know, turbo kit one day. We'll see. Got some plans for it. So today we're just gonna throw on these inch wheel spacers, see how they look, if they fit right. Sorry about the lighting and the mess, but that's all I got to work with. I got this jacked up on my stock raggedy jack. Alright, well, one cool thing that this car did come with was it had BBS wheels on it when I got it. Nothing fancy, but they are BBS. I painted the wheels white also. So I'm working with a black and white color scheme as of now. So let's see how these fit. Well, it definitely sticks out a lot wider. Not quite Ryan Kirk fitment, but an inch does quite a bit. Although when I lower the car, it'll fit pretty perfect. As you can see, it's not massively wide, but it sticks out quite a bit more than it used to. Let's compare it to this side. Tucked in. Poking out a little bit there. Hopefully when I put it on coils, it'll look a lot better. And then wider wheels and fender flares. This fitment will be perfect. So I'm stoked. It looks pretty sick. it's nice and wide. Alright, let's take my raggedy jack and start working on the other tires. Alright. Oh my gosh, I hate this thing. So investing in a new jack, definitely going to happen in the future.
Just a mess with a name and a prize. And now I'm drunker than before. They told me drinking doesn't make me nice. You never know where some people will go. Yeah, some people been hurting me. You can tell.
My wheel caps have a hard time fitting now because these lugs stick out further. Sucks. I like my wheel caps.
You can listen if you want, you can listen if you don't. Yeah, they'll talk, yeah, they'll even sing.
I might have to run no wheel caps with these. Alright, no wheel caps. Let's see how wide it is.
You're gonna need to find some other kind of place to go.
Not bad, not bad. Not massively wide, but wide enough. Well, I'm gonna finish the other two wheels and then I'll check back and see what we're doing next. Alright guys, so all four spacers are on and there's not a huge difference. It's noticeable if you saw the before. It looks good. It's just so when I get coils, it prevents hovercraft fitment. So that's the only reason. But it looks good. They fit well. Hopefully my wheels don't fall off. But there we are. Mad. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. That's it for this video. Not much. Just wanted to do an intro on my car. Get a quick interior shot. I haven't really done anything at all. So comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'll try to do my best. Just follow my build.